Welcome. This guide shows you how to upload documents and complete transactions. For your first transaction, please upload your proof of address with the payment receipt. Log in to the BNB Remit application. Start your first transaction. In the document upload section, you have to upload the receipt of payment made into the account. Proof of address. After uploading both the documents, proceed with the transaction. If your transaction reaches compliance threshold, the system will request source of funds documents. To upload the documents, start your transaction normally. If the threshold is reached, a message prompt will appear below the upload receipt section. The prompt will list the required documents like salary slip or bank statements. Upload the requested documents to continue. After confirming the transaction, go to the document upload section. Select and upload the required SOF documents. Click Submit. The transaction status changes to Approval Pending until reviewed by the admin. Documents are approved when your transaction continues normally. You may receive a confirmation notification. If your document is rejected, you will receive a notification in the app. The reason for rejection may be mentioned in the message or remarks. You can re-upload the corrected document. To re-upload documents after rejection, open the transaction where documents were rejected. Upload the corrected document. The option is now outlined in red. Tap to re-upload the correct documents. You will get a notification confirming that the new document has been uploaded successfully. Please ensure that notifications are enabled on BNB Remit application. Some transactions may require clarification or additional information. For this, the system includes a two-way message feature. To use the two-way message feature, open the transaction details page. Scroll to the message or comment box. Type your message and send it. If you upload only one document or leave some requirements incomplete, you will receive a reminder notification on your transaction page or a push message reminding you to upload the missing documents. Thank you for using BNB Remit.